Good afternoon, guys, you YouTubers. It's November 23rd, 2014. Just coming here, making a scrapping video. I'll show you what I got right out here on the table. It's copper here, pure copper wire, out of a dryer motor. I scrapped it. This right here, in this barrel here, is the motor housings. As you can see, I didn't think it'd be like that. These two things are also from the dryer that I scrapped. Steel there. This right here is the door plate I forgot to put in the truck when I went scrapping. Right there. This over here, more wires, possibly copper. This is the camshaft of the dryer that I forgot to show you. I left it over here. This right here, from a clothing rack. Get maybe $1 or so for it, I don't know. Now on to this other stuff. These right here, aluminum cans, foil, bottle caps, any kind of aluminum that's small. More aluminum in there. These right here are all your food cans. I took the labels off of them and crushed them by stepping on them. That's made of iron. That might get $1 a pound or so. I don't know for sure. But I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I hope you like it. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a nice night.